Good morning, fourth grade friends. Today we are going to be talking about some math that you are going to be doing. Yesterday we talked about multiplication and the lattice strategy. Today we're going to continue with our multiplication because a few people prefer to use a different strategy. So we're going to try this strategy today. Again, it's one that we are familiar with. So if you need to use the anchor chart for reference after I'm done with the video, you can head back to the den and use that. So I'm going to focus on this first example here on your actual class kick this morning. So I'm on slide 4, and we are going to use the strategy area model. So our goal today is to multiply multi-digit numbers using the area model. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in here so that way we can focus just on this problem here. So my problem today is 38 times 74. So just like we did with the area model, we have these lines off to the side with our box. Except this time we are taking the value of each of the digits in our number. So when we're looking at 38, the value of the 3 in the tens is 30. So I'm going to put that one up here. And then the value of our 8 in our ones place is just 8. So that is where we are splitting our factors into our tens and our ones, and then we've distributed them on our area model template. So that is step 1. So then you do the same with 74. If I have 7 tens, that gives me 70, and if I have 4 ones, I just put a 4 there. Okay, so now just like kind of our lattice, we multiply within those corresponding boxes. So this first box here that I'm going to talk about, it looks hard because you're doing 70 times 30. However, if you know what 7 times 3 is, you know what the answer to this problem is, because 7 times 3 is 21. And then if you look at your numbers that you're multiplying, you have 1 0 and 2 zeros. So that means you're going to add 2 zeros to your answer there. So you get 2,100. Okay? I'm going to erase those highlighted marks there. Okay, so now for the next box, we're going to stay on that top row, so we're still going to use that 70, and then we're going to be multiplying with the 8 because the 8 is over that box there. So I'm going to be doing 70 times 8. Again, this looks hard, but if you know what 7 times 8 is, which is 56, and then you look to see how many zeros are on your numbers, there's only 1 there within that 70, so you just add 1 0 to your answer. Okay, now we're going to go to the bottom row. So now we're going to be multiplying the 4 times the 30 on this first one. Okay, so 4 times 3, I know that's 12, and there's only 1 0 in my problem, so I'm going to add a 0 to my answer. Gives me 120. Then my next box, I'm going to take my 4 times my 8, and that gives me 32. Because there are no zeros on my 4 or my 8, I don't have to add any to my answer, so my answer is just 32. So once you have figured out your area model, you are now going to add up the 4 partial products. When I say the partial products, that means these, because these are not completely done yet. Partial means I only have a little bit of it. We need to add them all together to get the full product. So I'm going to add my 2,100, 2,100, my 560, my 120, and my 32 to get my product. Sometimes it is easier for me to come over to the side and write them this way. That way I can line up all my place values, just like the strategy we did on Monday. So I'm going to add those together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 2 for my ones. Then I have 0 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. That gives me 11. Put a 1 down. Carry my other 1. 1 and 1 is 2. Plus 5 more is 7. Plus 1 more is 8. And then I just have my 2. So my product is 2,812. Okay. So that is how you do the area model. Just like we've been doing this week, you're going to type that answer into the into that box there. Mine looks a little different because I'm on the teacher mode, so it'll actually just show you the answer on mine, but you're going to type that in there. to show me what your answer is and to check your work. Okay, so today you will be working on this slide. You have 3 problems here that you are going to be working on. And then if you go over to slide 5, you have 3 more on that slide as well, for a total of 6 problems today. So remember, if you need any more guidance on this, you can watch my video again, or you can come to the den and the anchor chart is there under the multiplication section under the math tab in the den. Okay, let me know if you need any help or if you would like some more practice problems, because I had some people ask for some more practice problems and I am willing to create some more for you if that is what you would like to do. Thanks, guys.